I think, Chair, Honorable Onyonka is a very experienced politician, but on issues dealing with the law, he can get it absolutely wrong. I think
Council. I would like, Chair, I would like, if Honorable Council thinks I'm not able to understand the law, to bring a substantive motion to this committee. We discuss that first before you can interrogate. What I am saying, Chair, I am here trying
Chair,
to...
You gave me the floor. I have not finished.
Just a minute. It's because you were talking about my character. I would like to state it very clearly, Chair. I'm trying to get information that can make me make intelligent decisions. So,
yes.
With the statements.
Yes. You see, if you gave that young man a chance to explain and you follow his submissions, what is calling obiter dicta? Chair, maybe before she leaves.
Okay, please.
Maybe before she leaves, you can allow the two sides if they have anything to say. Because she's here, they are the stakeholders.
The Senator is one-sided. Mr. Chairman, it's evident that the Senator is one-sided in this matter. Mr. Chairman, I respect and I want to repeat what the Honourable Mr. Chairman and I want to repeat what the Honourable Mr. Chairman. I want to repeat what the Honourable Onyonka said. And I want to read it, what the Honourable Onyonka said during the impeachment.
I thought, Mr. Speaker, you said that we speak through the chair.
Through the chair. Through the chair.
And you've not been given permission.
But the Senator is one-sided, Mr. Speaker.
Please, order. Let's order. Switch off your mic.
Particular instance, as you have seen, if I'm in any doubt about the Speaker who is in office, I will normally ask the head of the Treasury. But since I do not deal directly with the Speaker, I expect that if there are any changes, it is the County Treasury that will alert me on the same. But I repeat, I don't deal with the Speaker.
Maybe, Chair, I would like to ask you, Madam Nyakango, maybe this would be your last question from this committee. By accident or design, you are from Nyamira, and you happen to be the person responsible for what we are discussing today. What would you want to tell the Assembly here today?
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I would ask them to follow, obey, and implement the law. That is the bottom line.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chair.
So much, Madam. You have a pleasure to have you today here.
I think as we wind up and release her, I hope she's conscious that Nyamira now has two speakers and has two clerks.
Honorable Chair, you can correct that we don't have two speakers.
I think, according to the COB, she knows only the CECM, and she doesn't deal with others. But of course, she can witness, and she has already given them advice that they follow the law. And we really appreciate that. Madam COB, please, I think you can leave now at your pleasure.
Thank you. You've enlightened me. There are very many illegalities that have been done by, let me call him the former speaker.
That is correct, Honorable Senator.
Did you and your team go to court to seek any reprieve, any court orders to stop him from what he's doing?
Yes, we did file Nyamira High Court Judicial Review Case number 7 of 2024, challenging those 3 Gazette notices.
And what is the verdict?
The case is still ongoing. It has not.
Thank you. So you cannot use that case, to determine any action right now.
Honorable Senator, initially there were orders.
You are a lawyer. You cannot use what has not been determined by a court of law to justify the argument, any argument whatsoever. Okay. Number two, when you caught this man having fake gazette notices, what do you do normally when you are a good lawyer?
You report to the police.
Did you report to the police?
It has been reported.
Do you have an OB number and everything?
The OB number is there, Honorable Senator, and investigations are ongoing.
Thank you, sir. The last question. According to you, when you look at the issues that have been happening in Nyamira for a while, are these issues legal or political?
When filed in court, on the face value, they appear to be legal.
No, the court hasn't determined.
But
the court has not determined.
They are political. Political hands and shadows behind the matters.
So the Nyamira question, according to you, most likely is actually a political problem which must be solved politically.
It is a political question where if members who voted you in do not want you, you just have to go. You cannot force yourself down their throats.
Yes, so in reality, what you're saying is this. What if these members who voted you in are voting you out illegally?
Honorable Senator,
no, let me tell you what I'm saying. Let me say what I'm saying. Do you have this book?
No.
Do you have this? Can somebody please provide this through your speaker? I want you to go to page 36. 7. And it says, that is a judge. I find the act of removing the petitioner and applicant from the office of Speaker of the County Assembly, whether through suspension or impeachment, with the full knowledge of the existence of conservatory orders, amounts to interference with the discharge of his duties as Speaker. I therefore find the respondents guilty of blatant disobedience of the court orders, a conduct which this court cannot countenance.
Honorable Senator.
What is this judge saying?
Honorable Senator, allow me if I may.
Yes.
Reason being, the court was not invited to pronounce itself on impeachment.
Yes.
The court was invited to make a determination whether the MCAs were in contempt.
Yes.
For chasing away Honorable Okero.
Thank you.
So
hold
the
on.
court was saying in passing.
Okay. Hold on. Through you, Chair. Hold on, Council.
Whether you suspended
Council, hold on. Then the MCAs went to Kisumu. What did they tell the judge?
Honorable Senator, if you may allow me to conclude on this particular paragraph.
You had already concluded. I am asking you, Chair, when...
The law firm or the litigant?
The litigant.
The litigant is Enoch, Okero, Gori, and 12 others.
And what is he challenging?
He's challenging his impeachment. And there are no court orders.
Can I take a step back, Chair? Can I take a step back and ask about this invitation on 24th October 2024? Who invited the Speaker to
At
come
that time,
forward?
Honorable Senator, the Speaker was invited by the then clerk, Duke Onyari. And as at 24th October, there was no dispute as to who was the legitimate holder of the position of the clerk. So he was validly invited. He appeared before the Assembly. And the trouble just came when the vote was against him. But he participated fully. He was afforded a right to be heard. He made his representations. He was asked questions. He answered. A vote was taken. When the vote went...
I've got your point. The other clarification I wanted you to make, you kept saying whether the suspension was legal or not legal.